Fault your oath and welcome to a guided mindfulness meditation at the beautiful Derrynane Beach in County Kerry, Ireland, with me, the Irish mindful guy, Dar O'Rourke. Before we get going, it's probably best to watch this on a laptop or a TV screen and with speakers or earphones if you have them. And if you're seated comfortably with your back straight as much as possible, we'll start. We'll start as we always do by taking a few deep, long breaths in through the nose and slowly out through the nose. When you're taking a deep breath in through the nose, just notice the cold air running above the top lip and up through the nostrils. And when you're breathing out, notice the hot air coming down through the nostrils and onto the top lip. And stay with noticing this for a little while. It's inevitable your mind will wander off. We become lost in thought. Just try to notice that your mind has wandered and say to yourself, oh, my mind has wandered. I'll come back to the breath. Back to the inhale. Notice in the top lip. On the exhale. Notice in the nostrils. Notice in the warm air. And we're just going to switch our attention from the nose to the chest. When we take the deep breath in, just notice the chest expand. And as we exhale, we notice the chest compress. And as we take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly out through the nose, we're going to just concentrate on noticing all the ripples in the sea. and to keep ourselves distracted from thought, and that's all we're doing. Let's bring our vision, our focus, along the horizon of the mountains, starting from the left side and slowly going across to the right side. And when you've done that, bring it back across to the left, and just do that a couple of times while still focusing on the breath too. And if you've become lost in thought, that's okay. Just come back to the present moment. And now we'll just start to listen to the sound of the waves and to notice the different variations of the colour blue we can see. If your mind has wandered off, just notice where your mind wandered off to. Just think about that for a second. And then just pause that thought and park it. And take a deep breath in. And just come back to the present moment. And let a slow breath out. And for the last few minutes, as the camera scans the landscape, we're just going to pay close attention to whatever comes into view. We're really concentrating hard on staying in the present moment, looking at the shapes of the mountains, the colours, the different shaped rocks, the blues in the sea, the blues in the sky, all just to keep us in the present moment. And as we come to the end of the video, I'd like to thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with somebody who you may think it might help. And until next time, Slán.